In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Google Docs program on your Windows computer. Whether you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, this process should be more or less the same. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. To remove Google Docs program from your computer permanently, you need to go to Control Panel on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. However, if you don't have this option, then go to Start menu here and tap on Start. And from Start, just search for Control Panel, and here it is. If you open it, you will see all programs. Here, look for this option, Programs and Features. If you tap on it, this will list all the programs running on your Windows computer. From the list, as you can see, scroll down and look for Google Drive. This is because Google Docs comes as a package of Google Drive. To uninstall Google Docs, just click on Google Drive here, and you'll see we have this option to uninstall. If you install this will remove Google Drive together with all the other programs that are under Google Docs, which are under Google Drive, such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, as well as Google Slides. Alternatively, if you don't see this uninstall option, you can just right click on Google Drive, and then you should see we have this option to uninstall. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Google Docs from your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.